I'm an old man sometimes. Sometimes. But hell, like I said, we gonna put the three-piece in there and let them do what they do. So this is the fun part, right? Gotta get it in there. Two needles. And nothing. Man, Bobby. Hopefully they all right. Yeah, they get it. Put that in the freaking bucket. Shout out to having extra buckets. I didn't even realize that I could use that bucket in that manner. But I'm sure enough utilizing tools around me. And it seems like I had almost everything in here ready for this. Was I setting myself up for this all week? Probably, because you know I'm a setup artist. Hell, we be doing that. We be doing the content's gonna be creating itself. So I was glad to see we had more than purple flowers this week. Shouts out to the garden tour. If you missed that part of the video, hell, I might swoop around for you. Because we in the green room today. Shouts out to the pineapple. Then we got the dragon fruit. Once again, then we got the strawberries. Then we got our flowering plant over there in the corner with our current plant stand. You know, right here we got the money tree. Shouts out to growing the money tree, snake plant, and our first of two cactuses. Cause you know we got them cactuses in here in the building too. There's the only actual lady I've got running at the moment. All right, Crooked Peach, good to see you. And then we got our other cactus over here. You dig? I might do some germinating in that because that likes to grow things quickly for me. So you know how we do. We like to get things growing and going good. Hell, gotta keep you some plants in the green room because them tends to be ready to rotate after 2 months. But since we doing autos, we trying to have us another harvest within here in the next 90 days, right? Right. It's like I said, that plant that I'm gonna cut clones off of today, it's gonna need some time to recover and get some more growth back on it. But that's exactly what it'll do. Cause you know we ain't putting too much problems at it, but we gonna make it work. No free rides in our house, right? Everybody works. Alright, 2 needles of water, and we have got the White Widow crossed with SH. Shout out to that. And like I said, we're putting 3 of each genetic in there, so I ain't playing with them. I'm trying to get as many plants growing on, keep some, keep something coming. Let's see. Next, we got the SVR, which is the sugar black rose. Oh, that sounds like it should be fucking fire. Shout out to the homie. He got some great genetics. Y'all know he be getting from everybody that he knows because he's been growing for a minute. Shout out to Oklahoma. Keep your smoke land because you came from Smokelahoma. What's that weed aroma? I don't know.